I received a package from Portugal. Yes, Portugal. That slither of a country next to Spain. Very hot, I would imagine, especially at the moment. Anyway, it's a nice letter in here, which I'm going to read to you guys, and then we're going to crack on and check these discs. Hello, Rob. Greetings from Portugal. Sending you the Wii U discs I've lain around unused because they can't be read by the console, no matter how thoroughly I clean them. Thank you for taking up my request, OG, and I wish you all the luck for this new series for your channel. You're really doing this community a favour with your tireless and important content, YouTube videos, Discord channel, contest, charity, sales, etc. to name but a few. Oh yes. I'm also sending you two, not one, but two Portuguese beers, Sagres and Superboc. Sorry if I pronounced the first one wrong. S-A-G-R-E-S. Is it Sagres? 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 Anyway, and Superboc. You know, Portuguese people are divided into two groups. The ones who like Sagres and the ones who only like Superboc. And he asked me the question at the end. Which one are you, OG? Big hug, Pedro. Now, Pedro is a YouTuber. His channel is... One Up Game Over, all one word, just there for you. And he's also on the Discord, and he is Warfardo over on the Discord. Now, if you're not in the Discord, come and jump on in, because that's where this conversation started. So what games has he sent? Well, they're both Wii U, and I love Wii U. First one, not particularly great. Just Dance, what number's that? 2014. And no, if I do get it working, I will not be playing it. But this one, this is a game we have to work at getting working, because it's one of probably the best games on the system. There you go, Zelda, A Breath of the Wild. We got to work on these, and we got to get them working for good old Pedro over there in Portugal. So, without further ado, let's try the discs for ourselves and see if my machine is reading them. So here it is, my Wii U. We're going to try the Zelda disc first. Scratch where my thumb is. I don't know if it's picking that up or not, and I'm guessing that's what's stopping this from running. We'll pop it in and we will see if we have any luck. Right, let's have a look on the Wii U panel here now. No, we don't want to create a folder. Start invalid disk. So as we can see there, it's not going. So let's get to it, buddy. I've got a nice cold can of lager on the go, and then at the end we'll try them Portuguese lagers and see which one does it for us. I've got a rubber mat here, and what this does, just as I'm polishing and stuff, this will grip the disc. I've got these three products here. It's called Novus, N-O-V-U-S, heavy scratch remover, medium, and your light. That's more for polishing and stuff like that. I'm going to give a go with this. If this doesn't do it, I'll probably give it another go again. Now, as you can see that I've done it. It's coming out already, so I'm just going to blob that on the disc all the way around, okay? This will make sense as we go. And I'm just going to leave that for a couple of minutes, just to sort of dry it off slightly. It dries off slightly, and then it's sort of ready for use, do you know what I mean? Smooth as you like, okay? Keep going. Now, if you find it's drying out a bit, just add some more of your Novus 2 product. But I think we're all right now. I think we've got enough on here. Now, before I started, I just noticed another scratch, which is actually on the very side of the disc. So that could also be stopping it from reading, so to speak, you know. Anyway, I'm just going to keep going around in a circle motion on all that disc, all the way around. And as you can see there, with that rubber mat, it's not shifting. And as you can see there, I've taken off the majority of the excess from the Novus. It has come off now. And this is just going to give it a nice final buff. Get the Zelda disc in. And fingers crossed. Right, it's showing the disc there. It's trying to read it. Oh. Invalid disc still. We're going to have to go in for round 2, guys. We're going in for round number 2. Oh dear. It's going to push me luck, this one, isn't it, eh? But, you know, like I say, we've got to really keep working this one. I'm going to work this one a bit harder. Not harder. You don't apply an awful lot of pressure with this stuff either. You just sort of let the stuff do its work, you know. So just keep going around until it sort of really does take its own toll, so to speak. But I'm just going to keep going around in a circle motion, gradually working out as I go, and then I'll just keep repeating. And hopefully this time we might get something. It thought about it for a bit longer, so you never know, you never know. Oh dear. Anyway, Zelda games, this on the Wii U. Obviously it's huge on the Switch, everyone knows this on the Switch, but it started out life on the Wii U, people. Yes, it did. And as you know, it's just one of those games that just gets so much talk, so much hype about it. It's just so popular, you know. Just such a good quality game. But again, it's Zelda, isn't it? My first love of Zelda come from the Super Nintendo. I remember getting Link, Link to the Past. Zelda, Link to the Past. And I have to say, it just... I put it in, and I started playing it, and I was like, you know, a couple of hours in, and I was just blown away by how immersive the whole thing was. It was just such an amazing game. And to be honest, for that reason, it probably stands out as one of my favourite Zelda games even today. You know, just such a great franchise, isn't it, Zelda? And Nintendo. And let's be honest, games like this, Nintendo just do it right, don't they? They just do it right. They know what to do. This a buff up now. Again, circular motions. And let's see if we can't get Zelda back to working, people. Let's give it a whirl again. Round number 2. Have we been successful? Get the screen lit up. It's trying to read it. Come on. Come on. Oh no, we've got invalid disk again. Oh no, what's going on here? Start it. This could not be read. It may be dirty. Press the eject button, remove the disk, clean it gently. Right, we're going to go in again. 3rd round. Just tried that classic dance game. It's classic, isn't it? Not. Unfortunately not reading it. But to be honest, this doesn't look to me to have any serious sort of scratches on it. It's just got sort of this stuff over it. So we'll give this a go. We'll just go in on number 2 with this. And see if we have any luck with this one. This Just Dance. I'm gonna give it a covering first. And just leave that stuff to settle. Again, circular motions, people. Oh dear. Oh, shame about that Zelda game. Shame. But I am not defeated yet, people. Right, there we go. Leave that to settle, dry in for a bit. While we're waiting, should we try one of those Portuguese lagers? So, he sent me 2 beers. He sent me the Super Bock, which I've just opened. And he sent me that one that I've probably mispronounced. Which is here. The Sagre or Sagres. I'm going to call it Sagres. So for argument's sake, I hope I've got it right. Now the Sagres here is 5% volume, so that's decent, you know. And this one here, the Super Bock, is 5.2%. So slightly stronger this. I've had a good swig of this already, and I have to say, it's very smooth indeed. And it went down an absolute... Oh, yeah, it's going down very well. So at the moment, Pedro, I am Team Super Bock. But that said, I haven't given Sagres a go yet. So, anyway. Oh. That's good. Confession time. I always saw Super Bock. And I always thought it was South African. I've never had it before, but I always thought it was South African. And I've never been to Portugal. I've been to Spain loads of times, but never Portugal. A lot of people say that Portugal's prettier than Spain. Never been. Maybe I should make the trip, Pedro. Anyway, Sagre. And maybe you're they're wanting us tourists over there at the moment. I don't know. Not as strong, but only slight. But again, 5%. That over here in the UK is what we consider a premium lager. Yeah, strength of our beers keeps getting lower and lower and lower. Anyway, cheers, Pedro. Let's try this one. That is very nice too. Now, you're asking me the question, aren't you? Which camp am I in? Am I in the Super Bock camp or am I in the Sagres camp? Well, Pedro, my friend, for me, I'm going this. I am Team Super Bock. This is very nice, don't get me wrong. If I was in Portugal and they had that on draft, I'll be supping that all day long. But if they had that on draft in the same bowl, I'd probably be on that, the Super Bock. I think it's just ever so slightly smoother than this one. Both very pleasant, both very nice, and both come all the way from Portugal. Yes, so thank you very much, matey. I've had one final go at these. I started off again on the 3. I went in on the heavy. And I did, my God, did I give it some elbow grease? Oh, yes. Then the Novus 2. And I finished up with the finest, the Novus 1. Now, I'll be absolutely honest, this was my final crack at them. We're going to go and put them into the machine. I'll be absolutely honest, at this stage now, I'm not holding out much hope at all. So, let's get amongst it. Let's see what happens. Has all my hard work paid off, people? We're going to go in with the Just Dance disc. My God, I couldn't polish this anymore if I wanted to. I'm obviously focusing on this angle here. It's making the right noises. Come on, come on. Oh, right, okay. Start. Is it going to fail again? Oh, the disc is sort of... I think it's failed, you know. Again, I think that disc is sort of making a flat sound now. Oh, this could not be red, it may be dirty. We're having no luck with that one, people. Next up, Zelda, its last attempt. Come on, baby. We've got this. We've got this. It's whirring. Come on. Oh, the legend... OMG, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Way up. Look at this, people. We have us some Breath of the Wild. My polishing, that elbow grease, looks like it's paid off, people. Oh, yes. Happy days, happy days. Tap here. Oh, look at this. Hey, we have got Zelda Breath of the Wild to work, people. I'm not going to start a new game because my save data from my original copy is obviously still in there. Oh, well, 1 out of 2 ain't bad. There we have it. The Novus has done its business. But my God, did I have to put some work into these two. Anyway, as you can see, they're both the games. Unfortunately, this is still a fail. But Zelda has come through. Breath of the Wild, yes. And let's be honest, guys and girls at home, out of these two titles, which one would you prefer? I know mine's definitely that. So, great stuff. Really, really happy with that. So, Pedro, these are on their way back to you in Portugal, my friend. Oh, yes, indeed. I'm pleased with that product. So, Novus, as I say, if you want to get yourself some, because you've got some dodgy old discs, give it a go, but remember, you've got to put the work in on it. If it's only a lightly damaged disc, it's pretty good, works pretty well. But that one, that does Just Dance, I think the chip on it in 2 places was just too bad. It just weren't working. But anyway, overall, I am very, very pleased. So that's the product, people. Available on Amazon and other fine outlets, I'm sure. Novus, heavy scratch remover. Remember, it comes in 3, 2, 1. Hey, remember that? Dusty bin comes in 3, 2, 1. And as I advised on there, start off on number 2 and just do your circular motions and just keep going. And if at first you don't succeed, try again. And again, and again. But we got there in the end for 50% result. Anyway, I've been OGDuffy, you've been awesome as always. Drop me in the comments, let me know your opinions, your ways of repairing discs, etc. Any other ideas, any other tips and hints out there? Much appreciated, Pedro. I'll be getting these back in the post to you, sir. Anyway, stay well, look after yourselves. I'll see you all on the next one.